Okay, so the first one's convert each degree measure to radians. So again, if it's something that you already know, like this one, 30 degrees is what in radians? Get your unit circle if you don't remember.
Pi over 6.
Yep, pi over 6. 1,420 degrees.
You said 100, 120.
Yep.
2 pi over 3.
2 pi over 3. And then if we get to something like number 20, where it's 480 degrees, we could potentially go all the way around and count it out and figure it out, but let's just hypothetically say that you didn't know how to count it out or you didn't feel like counting it out or whatever. Let's actually do the conversion on this one. So 480 degrees times 1 pi over 180. So I'm just going to reduce this down as much as possible. Let's see. Is 18 going to 48? No. But I can take a 6 out of it, I think. What is that? 8 and 3. So 8 pi over 3, right?
I think so.
So remember, if you were to count it out, that's the same thing as 120 degrees, but keep in mind you've got to count your pi's if you're going to do that. So anything above 360, I would just use the conversion for, because otherwise you have to keep counting, and that could get confusing. Are y'all okay with the conversion factor? Okay. 28. Oh, well, that's awkward. It's literally 8 pi over 3. 30. That's also one we've already done. Hold, please. 32. 15 pi over 4. So, not that we can't count it out on the unit circle and figure out where it is or how many degrees around it is, but since it's more than 2 pi, let's use the conversion factor. So 15 pi over 4 times 180 over pi. My pi's cancel. 4 goes into 180 how many times?
$45.
45 times 15 is?
Huh?
45 times 15.
675.
And obviously, if it's negative, your answer is still going to be negative. Things like that.
Can I say some pie bet?
No, threw it at me.
Can I have a bet?
You're not supposed to be having candy.
Lent.
You gave it up.
For the
I'm not
Lent.
casual.
Yeah, but you came in and said you were giving up candy.
Yeah,
I
for Lent.
lied.
You were
I
the one.
lied.
Oh, you're a
I
sinner.
lied.
He's lying,
I
see?
lied. Lord forgive me, but I lied.
All right, do y'all need to see any more conversion factors for either direction, or are we good? Great. Okay,
Holy shit.
then let's do arc length and
I'm so mad.
It went lower
Whoever
than
keeps
intended.
changing Morgan Wallet.
Huh?
It went lower than intended. I didn't mean to.
Ah.
68.
I like-
R
I think
equals
it's kind of cool not to.
0.892 centimeters. Theta is 11 pi over 10 radians. So arc length, S equals R theta. Theta has to be in radians. The good news is it already is, so I just plug it in. 0.892 times 11 pi over 10. And you would just have to multiply that on your calculator. Or if you're Ethan, you can do it in your head.
I can do this.
My calculator
isn't. Hold on.
Because it's dead. It's charging.
Oh my gosh.
It was funny. I had a middle schooler come in here earlier and ask me for a calculator. They're like, "Excuse me, do you have a calculator I can use?" And it's funny because I know my mom told them they had to bring one to class today. And I was like, "Yeah, I have one, but I need it."
Funny, yeah.
They need to
I'm
do
literally
something.
like, "You have a sibling
Yeah, he's your sibling.
who was standing in my room."
I love when they do stupid stuff like that.
Who has a calculator?
3.08. I'm gonna eat this, but it's like really, really, really crumbled.
I'll take it.
No, I'm gonna eat it. I got it for Valentine's Day.
I'll take it.
From not my Valentine. Because I don't have one of those. But I got it from a friend. Your iPad's gonna die.
No, it's not. It's at 42. 72. R equals 71.9 centimeters. Theta is 135 degrees. So what do I need to do?
Here.
You need to convert beta to radians.
That's known off the unit circle, so what is it?
Oh.
I've heard Coach Hopkins knows.
3 pi over 4.
Not me, Nate. It's not bad.
Yep.
It's bad that he knows.
It's not bad. I mean, he doesn't
Who
care.
cares?
He doesn't care.
I don't know. I'm just making small talk.
Absolutely no one on this planet cares.
Okay, good.
S equals 71.9 times 3 pi over 4. Excuse me, ma'am.
I got it.
60.
Hold on.
No, give me that phone.
71.9. Does no one else in here have a calculator?
No,
You have one? Okay, it's.
I'm the teacher.
It's 169.
Give her a demerit.
Or
She's a reprimand.
She's a reprimand.
She's attention.
y'all are unprepared for class. That could be a detention too.
Ethan's never prepared for class. He hasn't had a calculator since the first day of school.
What's the next one?
My mom, she got me a graphic calculator. It was a TI-30 instead of a TI-84.
You could use that.
Huh?
I said you can use that.
For stats.
Oh, I don't know about that, but you can use.
I can't use a TI-30 for stats.
Bring it!
Girl, chillax. All right,
What's up?
area.
Screw the F word when the video is going. Oh yeah, it's gotta go.
100. R equals 59.8 kilometers. Theta is 2 pi over 3 radians.
KM.
So area is equal to 1/2 r squared theta.
This guy.
1/2 times
Oh my gosh.
59.8 squared times 2 pi over 3.
Got it.
Thanks.
$3,744.8.
Guys, I can save 5 cents per gallon at 7-Eleven. Using my 7-Eleven rewards.
Guys, do you guys like matcha?
Kilometer squared.
Not really. Do you?
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Tastes like grass.
What's that?
It's a type of drink.
It's like the water at Portsmouth. Tastes like mulch. It's gross.
Ethan, do you want the rest of this? I don't want it.
Do you need to see another one, or are we okay with this formula too?
Wait, I need to get the answer really fast.
Just make sure that
I'm good.
you convert theta to radians and that the units are squared on area problems.
This was a lot. So, okay. Got it.
Your
Homework.
problems are
That was
11,
Mhm.
19,
Hope.
29,
You're gonna get a miracle sandwich.
37,
Okay, girl.
67, 71, and 99.
Gosh, there's a lot of problems.
Whoa.
Girl, you got 30 minutes.